Well, this is what happens when you buy a basket case for a tractor. I mean, it literally came in boxes. I piece it together. And this is what happens when you don't grease the bushings. You end up with bushings that crumble and then hard pack the spindle into place. And the weight of the tractor just keeps galling away at the the hell you call that damn thing? The spindle housing, huh? Let's call it that. That sounds about right. Can't think this morning. But anyways, I'm going to be working on getting that out of there. When I get that out of there, I'll be building up the shoulder for the spindle housing and the stops. And what else can I say? I hope that that is good still. If not, I'm probably just going to have to cut that off and weld in another one. All right, got to get to it.